students, back with your GK class, starting with the sports topic, that is page number 42 volleyball and 57 page number Formula 1. Now volleyball has a global following with nations from around the world professionally competing. The pinnacle of the sport comes in the Olympic Games where the best players are often shown. So this is the diagram of the volleyball playground. What are rules of volleyball? Each team consists of 6 players and 6 substitutes. Players can be substituted at any time, but if they are to return, can only be swapped for the player that replaces them. Each team can hit the ball up to 3 times before the ball must be returned. The defensive teams can then retry the block or return the ball again, hitting it maximum of 3 times. Games are played up to 25 points and must be won by 2 clear points. Then violations will be called for the following: stepping over the baseline when serving the ball hits the net and fails to get over the net. Players are not allowed to carry, palm or run with the ball. Players must not touch the net with any part of the body. If the net is said to have hit them rather than vice versa, then this is okay. The ball cannot travel under the net. Players cannot reach over the net and hit the ball. Scoring. To score a point, the ball must hit the ground within the outline section in your opponent's half. You can also score a point by your opponent falling to hit the outline section within your half or your opponent hitting the ball into the net. A point can be scored off either team serve. A player serving must do so from behind the baseline and can use either an over or underarm action and hits only with only the hand. Once the serve has been made, the server can join the team in play and battle out the points. Each team is allowed to hit the ball 3 times before the ball must be returned. A player is not allowed to hit the ball twice in succession. If the ball hits the boundary line, then the ball is deemed to be in play. The defensive team can jump and try to block the ball returning to the side of the court. So each game is played to 25 points and must be 2 points clear. If the score reaches 24-24, then the game is played until one team leads by 2. Winning the game. To win the game, you must score more points than your opponents. The best 3 or 5 sets are generally players, and the winner is the first team to reach the required number of sets. Choose the correct option. The regulation volleyball game is played to 25 points, but you must win by 2 points. Second, what is it called when you step on or over the line while serving? That is foot fault. A set is the name of a hit when the ball is contacted with the fingertips above the head. What is the type of pass where the hands are clenched together and contact is made between the wrist and elbows? That is forearm pass. What is the name of the hit used to begin each point? That is serve. What is the minimum number of hits a team can use to get the ball over the net during play? That is 3. If a player hits the ball twice consecutively, it is called what? That is double hit. If a player hits the ball with 2 open palms, it is called a carry. Which of this is not a type of hit? That is volley. How many number of attempts does the player have to go to get the serve over the net? So that is 1. Then is formula number 1, that is championship. So the constructor championship is awarded to the most successful Formula 1 constructor over a season. True. In Formula 1, the color of most Ferrari car is red. True. The Force India team has Indian drivers. False. The maximum of 3 drivers from a team can participate in a single Formula 1 race. False. Drivers can stop for refilling during a race. False. A Formula 1 driver can become a champion by winning a single race. False. All Formula 1 drivers must wear helmets while driving. True. Narayan Karthikeyan is for Formula 1 driver. True. A checkered flag is waved at the start of a race. False. Michael and Ralf Schumacher are brothers. True. So this is championship The formula in the name refers to the set of roles to which all participants' car must conform. So this is a car race, Formula 1 car race, and this is the questions related to championship. So we have completed these two topics. Thank you. Meet you next week.